Hi guys, as in previous video, we created our sections and sample lines. And as I told you, now we are going to assign the materials to our sections. Then we have to calculate the quantity of the materials like a cutting and filling and other materials which is the assigning in our section. Let's we start our job now. So first we have to come to in corridor and select any one our sample line. Then you see the here panels. Here one option is the compute the material. Just click on it here. Then select our alignment. Alignment is the railway. Then you come down, our sample group is the, this rail along. Just click to here. Then say the OK. Then this other pop will be appear here. So here, just first we have to change it. Earthwork, not cut fill. Cut fill will be quantity. Or this is the earthwork. Here we will calculate the all the cutting or filling materials, how much will be come. Okay. So just we have to assign the existing ground front here. Our existing ground is the easy. Do you remember? I think. And this data here our corridor. Yes, surface. So two surfaces be here. One is the existing and one is the finished ground level as we assigned. I think you remember. So this is the finish here. This our assigning the material earthwork. Okay. Now just we go and say to OK. Okay. So we assigned the cutting and backfilling area. Again you go to here in the compute area and select here this one and go to OK here. Then it's asking add new material. So just you click once here, add new material. Okay. That material not a cut fill here now, not cut, not fill, not cut and fill, not earthwork. Select here structure. Then come to here. Okay. Then corridor safe. Okay. Then you come to here. Our safe is the railway track and click here on plus. Okay. Then you come to here, see include is include. Okay. Now we already assigned the materials. Okay. Apply here and OK here. Okay. Now just escape and go to our section views. You come here section views. See the material already assigned. This is our section is the before, and now you see this area already we assigned the back cutting material. See this is our existing ground level and this is the finished ground level. Then this material is already assigned here. Okay, I think you can understood now well. So this area will be come cutting. Okay, another area you go to where is the filling is the coming. This is the filling area. You see from here to here, this area is the filling area. So here will be, we have to fill because our existing ground level is then down. Filling means existing ground level down. On cutting means up there our section. So you know that all here also we have to filling this material. Here we have to filling this materials because existing level is here. So we have to fill here. And maybe you understood well. If you don't find, then you go our profile and can check. See here is the also filling because the existing level is here and this part we have to fill. It will be not consider this area. It will be not consider this area. Okay. If you escape and then come, this area will be not calculating the cutting and filling. This will be consider this area, this side and this area also. Okay. Now again you go to in the corridor here and select anyone's a sample line and generate volume report. Just click to here. Okay. Alignment is railway or sample line group is the rail alone and material 2 is okay. In Excel we will not do now, just we click here display XML report. Okay. And one thing I want to tell you, but it will be later. Okay, no problem. Just cancel it. Okay, we will assign direct. Click here once. Not now generate. You come to here, add a table. Okay. Then add volume. Here will be cut and fill. Okay. Just click it here. Here leave it the cut and fill. Okay. Here alignment is okay. What sample group is you change here. The material is okay. Okay. Then you come to here and say okay. Hana? Then it's asking place. Just click. Come here. This table is already created. See? Total volume. Hana? Total volume you can see fill area in 0 nothing, and you see the 20. Here this is the cut area and fill volume and cut volume, because here coming cut area, then it will be showing the cut volume. Okay. And another you see the cumulative means this much here, the next one add this one, next one add this one, next add this one, this total will become here. You see here all you can read this. Okay. Where is the cut? Where is the fill? Okay. And total in as per the alignment length, total volume is this much cubic meter. Okay. And here you can see the total cumulative cut and cutter volume is here, and cumulative the fill volume is there. Matlab filling is the less this much and cutting is the this much. This is the final table here. Okay. I'm sure another thing again already is here selected, and click again here and go to material. Okay. Then same area and volume. Okay. Here also not change. Here you have to change because we have two groups. Okay. Then nothing you have to do, just a click here and come to here, because it's asking where you want to place this your table here. Here showing this all materials, you see where is how much is the coming. This all. Total volume, this and total and cumulative volume is the 12.71 m cube. This is the total. Which area it's showing? Come to in your section and you see this area, this material. Because this total area is the cumulative he is telling. Because we are not still the find out what is this material, what is this material, what is this material, what is this material, but we communicative material, this the maybe the earth fill, concrete or another material like a moram, these things. We have to decide if this material, what this material, we have to change in the assembly, then it will be show here. That's we will assign our next time when we create a project. Then this layer by layer, there's a subgrade, grade, subgrade, gravels. This all we give to name, then it will be show there by name. Okay. I think you understood. Both are the volumes here. You see, and as I told. You can see in the Excel sheet also. Then you generate here volume again. Here just you change here and display XML. Okay, just once. Oh, sorry. You see, this is the volume report. All report is here. You give to name everything or project. If you want it in the Excel sheet, then just click once again and copy and can take it to the next. Okay, nothing is a problem. In Excel you can change everything is here by name, your name, who is done, when we done, where was, everything you can done. You see that all information is here. The cut area, cut volume, and the fill area, fill volume, and communicative the meters in the communicative the fill, communicative the cut. All quantity you can get, and at last you see, as you see our table, this is the here. You can export it in the Excel. So I think you understood well now. Next video, our program, what anyone will be comments, then I will tell what the next video will be we create here, because we reach up to mostly end of the seeing the basic, and I explained here just only base, just the tools. Now we create a project from start, where we from the survey point, means base data to up to end. So please not forget to subscribe to channel, like, comment, and should be click on the bell icon, so you will get the notification when I will start the series. Okay, thanks for watching.